Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing how I will do my face shaving routine. Let's get into the video. To begin, you all need the right tool, a quality razor and any gel like aloe vera gel or orange gel, anything. But I personally don't like gel on my face, so I do dry shaving. Hold your razor at a 30-degree angle to your face. Controlled stroke work best for your clean shave. Take your time and don't apply too much pressure. After few strokes, rinse your razor to remove excess hair for a more effective shave. This video is little bit fast, so when you guys will do, so do patiently and do proper, otherwise you will get cut. Excess hair because I like thick bougie eyebrows, so make sure take your time and do how you want, otherwise you end up with thick eyebrows. Result. Once you finish, gently clean with a towel, avoid rubbing, otherwise your skin will get irritation. The last thing is moisturizing your skin. Here I am using aloe vera post shave gel. Brand name is Sirona. I like this product very much because it will give that the cooling sensation after shaving. Little bit massage. And there you have it, a perfect shave for a polished look. Remember, practice make perfect. Happy shaving! Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. This is Induji. Bye!